window air conditioner giving me an E8 reading.
Who makes your AC unit? When did you last replace the air filter?
GE cleaned the filter yesterday.
How long has this been going on with your GE air conditioner? What have you tried so far?
Started today, I have done nothing.
Is there anything else the appliance expert should know before I connect you? Rest assured that they'll be able to help you.
Thank you. GE, I cleaned THR filter yesterday.
Sorry that you are having issues with your GE air conditioning unit. The E8 code is indicative of an overload malfunction error. This error can be a result of the unit trying to operate in a high humidity and/or high temperature environment. Things that can trigger this are the filter, exhaust areas blocked and air inlets blocked. Verify that you have specified clearances around the exterior of the unit and that the fins are clean on the exterior. You should unplug the unit when cleaning the fins. Be careful as the fins are sharp and can cut you. After verifying conditions are clear, plug unit back in and see if the error clears. If you still have issues, you will want to call for a qualified technician to check out the unit. Good luck! If this has proven helpful, a favorable rating is greatly appreciated. Thank you.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.